United States weather impacts, December 16, 2025. A dominant polar scale trough over the eastern United States is anchoring an intense Arctic air mass across the Midwest, Great Lakes, Mid-Atlantic, and Northeast this morning, driving widespread very low ceilings, sub-freezing surface temperatures, strong gusty winds, black ice risk, and continued disruption to flight operations. In the wake of a fast-moving winter system that crossed the northern plains into the mid-Atlantic late yesterday, lingering snow and ice cover combined with 20 to 30 knot gusts is degrading ramp and runway conditions and increasing airframe icing risk during climb and descent. Morning operations across New England and the mid-Atlantic are contending with IFR to lift ceilings near daybreak, slow improvement after sunrise, and extended deicing timelines due to both cold soak and wind. Across the northern plains into the Great Lakes, surface ridging beneath cold cyclonic flow aloft is supporting lake-effect snowbands. While coverage is localized, brief visibility drops and slick pavement remain likely downwind of the lakes, particularly impacting secondary fields and arrival corridors into the Great Lakes hubs. Along the North Pacific coast and Pacific Northwest, a persistent atmospheric river pattern continues to drive widespread rain, embedded heavier bands, and gusty winds across Washington, Oregon, and Northern California. Elevated river levels and ongoing runoff are affecting surface transportation, while aviation impacts include prolonged low ceilings, reduced visibilities, and periodic moderate turbulence in and near frontal zones. Mountain snow remains significant, maintaining icing and turbulence concerns over the Cascades and northern Rockies. Over the central and southern plains into the Midwest, a tight surface pressure gradient on the backside of the eastern trough is producing strong low-level winds. While precipitation is limited, these winds contribute to mechanical turbulence, possible low-level wind shear near terminals, and challenging crosswind operations. Dry air and strong mixing in parts of the plains are also elevating fire weather concerns, with smoke potential a secondary visibility issue near active burns. The Deep South and Gulf Coast are firmly under cold high pressure. Freeze conditions are widespread this morning, with cold weather ground equipment concerns and stiff northerly winds, but minimal precipitation impacts today. Across Florida and the Atlantic South, conditions are comparatively benign. Predominantly VFR ceilings prevail, though brisk onshore flow along the Atlantic coast is generating rough marine conditions and higher coastal winds with limited inland aviation impacts.